there, young learners. Today, we're diving into something super cool. Roman numerals. Let's explore these special letters that help us count like the Romans did. Here are the 7 key Roman numerals. They may look different, but don't worry. We have a fun trick to help you remember them. Are you ready?
There are 7 letters we use here for Roman numbers far and near. I can name them without fear. Come along and lend an ear. I is 1 and V is 5. Learn these letters come alive. X for 10 and L for 50. Count in Roman, it's so nifty. C is 100, isn't that cool? D 500, play by rule. M is 1,000, now you know. Count them high and count them low. I is 1 and V is 5. Learn these letters come alive. X for 10 and L for 50. Counting Roman, it's so nifty. Add them up and mix around. That's how Romans math was found. Numbers from the ancient ground, spinning round and round and round. I is 1 and V is 5. Learn these letters come alive. X for 10 and L for 50. Counting Roman, it's so nifty.
Okay, let's test what you've learned. What number is X? That's right. X is 10. Good job. Now you know Roman numerals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.